Hello YouTube. So right here I've got this old alarm clock in a box and I want to see how long can an alarm clock last underwater or if alarm clocks can last in the water. So I've got a big jug of water and I guess I will pour some in. I'm going to pour slowly over time. Let it sit for a minute. So I'm just going to start over. So after that dilemma, let's try that again. I kind of dried it off, but for some reason it's showing IPGA, whatever that means. Probably an error message or something. This time the radio's turned off. I don't know why I was making that weird noise, but let's pour in a little more. So I'd say it's now at the maybe halfway point, a little less than halfway. Still working. Let it sit for a minute. Which is looking good. So now it's maybe officially halfway. We've got, I don't know, the back is like more towards the whatever. So we'll let it sit like that for a minute. But still showing the 1-8G with 8 whatever. Alright, let's pour some more water. Still no weird noises, alright. Now it's getting into the speaker holes in the back, which I'm actually surprised it's still working. So here's what it looks like so far. Oh, the screen's glitching out. What's that? IPG8 or 1PG8? I don't know. Yeah, at this point we've got the whole back of the alarm clock in the water, all the buttons in the water. All that's left is a couple of the buttons on the top. So I guess it's time to pour some more water. Now she is almost fully submerged. Just the reset alarm button is left. Everything else is fully submerged and it's actually still working. I mean, on the bucket it's not looking as good, but I'm gonna go get some more. So we'll wait back. Alright, we're back with even more water. We're gonna try and fill it up as much as we can now. I can't believe this thing is still working. And now it is fully submerged. Maybe I'm thinking if there's more depth, it'll be different. Alright. So it is fully submerged. It doesn't look like it, but fully submerged. And it is still working, which is actually really surprising. I mean, and the screen is still working and everything. Now, if I turn on the radio, it's gonna be weird because no signal, whatnot. But I mean, this thing is fully submerged and it's still working. Let's add some more. That's pretty cool. We'll let it sit. It's still working, so that's pretty cool. We'll let it sit. Alright, we've got some more water. This might be the last that we're going to add. But I'm thinking maybe, I don't know, like the depth of it, it's going to be deep enough that it's going to start to get damaged, but I'm not going to really fill up more. I mean, as you can now see on the camera, that it is fully submerged. I mean, that thing is still running. Now let's try the radio. Where's that radio button? I think it is here. No, it is. Where is it? I think it's this. Yeah, we've got nothing. Here's the radio dials. There's absolutely nothing. If I take it out, let that thing sink. Wow. Look at all that water. It's even coming out of the screen thing. Put it back in. Wow. Absolutely outstanding. So I guess we can conclude with this test that alarm clocks are waterproof, I guess. I mean, this is just one alarm clock. I can test with more in the future if you guys want me to. But this thing is a Philips. It's like, I don't know, 10 years old. This thing is like still doing well. I mean, there's the bottom, whatnot, everything submerged. You see? And it's still working. Maybe get yourself a Philips. Those things are I mean, I don't know what, 1P99. I think that's the radio channel. The IP99, I believe that is the radio channel. Some air bubbles come out. I'm just gonna click that till I get like more. Clicky clicker. Alarm reset. More buttons. Wow. Yeah, get yourself a Philips alarm clock. These things are reliable, I guess. It's halfway. I mean, that is just. There's this little compartment thing. I think I can open up. Some air bubbles just came out there, but again, I'm still going. I'm gonna do this to get the rest of the air bubbles out. Click the buttons again. Wow. Yeah, I don't think this thing will actually die of water. I mean, it was making some weird noises at first, but wow. Well, there's the conclusion of the video. Alarm clocks are waterproof for the most of the part. I mean, they might not work properly at the end, but no, it won't electrocute you. In case anyone was wondering this question, and I would get into Philips. So I guess Philips alarm clocks might be pretty reliable. Again, this is a 2000 something alarm clock, 2005.